What if I tell you that you can automate all the repetitive tasks that you do with the help of Gemini Spark, and it is free of cost also? In this video, we are going to look into all the features that Spark provide to you. Along with that, we are going to look into all the new AI tools that Google has launched. So let's come to the screen. So we have come into the screen and we are in Google Chrome. Let me search Gemini Pro. And we have in the interface of Gemini. Now you can see that we have two options, chat and Spark. Here we can switch to Spark, and after that I'll show you the features that Spark provide to you. I've opened the Spark and here you can see that we have different options such as tasks, and we have customize, schedules, skills and connected apps. I'll explain everything to you. Now, what is task for you? In simple term, task is all the work that you give to AI to execute. For example, if I ask AI that you have to look into my Gmail and you have to understand all the communication that I have done today and give me the summary, that the input I have received, the email I have received and the answers, the reply I have given to the email. Give me the summary in notebook. So what it will do is it will take the access of your Gmail, and after that it will read all the emails that has come to you on today, and after that it will summarize all the emails that has come and all the replies that you have given to it, and it will give this summary to Notion AI and it will be stored there so that you can go to Notion AI and read the summary of all the things that you have done today. So this is task. Now I'm coming into schedules. And what is it? It is the task that you provide to AI and you ask AI to execute it on a particular time or particular date. So I'm coming into schedules, and here you can see that I have created multiple schedules, right? First schedule is track Reliance daily stock news. So what this does is I'll explain you later. But firstly, let me show you the different features that the schedule provide to you. So now we have two options. One is create with Gemini. So in which you have to give the normal details to Gemini, and Gemini will create prompt along with the scheduling details. So it is very helpful for you if you do not have the skills or you do not have the prompt with you. So I used a word skills. So it is not about your knowledge or skill set. It is the written prompt which will execute on time. So it is known as skills in this particular Gemini and AI industry. Now I can go with create manually and I can give all the instructions, and here it becomes very important that you give the details to AI in very clear and crisp manner. It should not have any hallucination, any confusion. Otherwise, what AI will do, whenever it will run the task that you have given to AI on the scheduled time, the output will not be consistent. So here the first video that I have uploaded, it becomes very important to watch. Now let me come to the different features that schedule provide to you. Now it is asking the name of the schedule. So let me write something, for example, marketing master, marketing news, let me write, and then it is asking when you want to execute it. So I can choose hourly basis, daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, or once, just once time. I'm going with daily. It is asking what is the time, and it is not the exact time, it is the around time. Why it is? Because whatever schedule you do in Gemini Spark ecosystem, it doesn't run in your system or in your phone. It runs in the cloud of the Gemini, and hence even if your system is off, you are not online, this task will be executed on time. Around is important because it is not going to be executed exactly at particular time that you have given. It will execute it maybe 15 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes before or after, based on the availability of the resources. So let me do it 8:45. and it is asking the prompt, the instructions to execute. So what I'll do is I have given some instructions. I have made some ready-made instructions to put on AI. So what I'm going to do is I'm directly going to paste it. So this is the instruction I have given to AI. Let me go again to Spark and schedules, and let me go to market expert, and you can see that I have pasted this uh, prompt to AI, and what it is doing is act as a senior financial analyst and equity research specializing in Indian stock market and Reliance Industries Limited. So I have given the role to AI that this is your persona, you have to work like this, and it becomes very important whenever you are writing a good prompt, right? So I have already made a dedicated video on how to write a good prompt. You can go and watch the video. I have given the link in this I button. You can watch it. Now, I am writing all the tasks that it should execute. And after that, I have given where it has to research the news. So what are the things it has to research? And after that, I am asking AI to understand the stock impact and directional logic. And after that, automated Notion page logging hoga, and it will take all the details from this chat to Notion AI, and it will make a page over Notion AI, and it will show what will happen based on the news on the stock of Reliance Industries. So this kind of schedules you can make. You can also automate the task that you do. For example, if you are a marketer and you do research on a particular thing in every morning, and after that you create a Canva post, so you can automate that task with this Gemini Spark. Along with that, if you are a manager, and what you do is you go through all the emails, and after that you start replying to it. Now you can ask AI to give the all the reply in Notion, so that you just have to copy paste it and send it, right? Along with that, you have the options that you can choose the different dates when it should be executed. So let me execute it, and I have already made different uh, schedules. So this is a schedule that I have made for tracking the Reliance Industry stocks, and I need to know that what will happen to the stock based on the news that is available about Reliance Industry and related things in the market. So I have done this scheduling at 8 a.m. and I can save it. So every day it will execute this particular task, and what this task do is it will analyze the market news, and after that it will find whether this particular news is going to affect the stock market of Reliance Industries. If it can affect, then it will gather those newses, and after that what it will do is it will create a Notion page in which it will write all the news and its impact, and finally it will give the recommendation that. So the prompt I have given here, you can see, is act as a senior financial analyst and equity research for Reliance Industries Limited. Execute the daily workflow, and what I have given is extract and anchor key baselines financial metrics from Reliance Industry financial statement. So I have given the Reliance Industries financial statement to AI, so that whenever it will execute it, it will look into the financials of the company, and it will have all the ideas about the different projects that Reliance is doing. Along with that, in which industry Reliance has the exposures, and in which materials Reliance is dependent on. Then search the web for today's financial, macroeconomic, and corporate news affecting Reliance Industries, right? And I have asked AI to synthesize the news with the financial baseline, evaluating expected stock price bias and access Notion AI and locate and create a page titled Reliance Industry Daily Stock and Update, and append today's structured summary entry with date, stock, directional bias, top news headlines, and financial impact and analysis, along with that key conclusion. So I can run it right now also. Let me run and let me show you what it will do. So it is running, it has started. Let me skip the part where it can take some time. It has started doing it. I have identified and prepared the core financial figures for analysis. It is showing, and it has taken the access of Notion MCP, and it is searching on Google about the news, and it is working on that, and it has got the details about the market for August 10th, and now it is updating the page. Now it is asking, because I am giving this particular schedule for the first time, that is why it is asking to get access of Notion AI. I am giving the allow, and then it will start running the entire schedule in the backend, right? So I can go anywhere, I can do anything, it will be running. Even I can close it, it will be running in the backend. So it has started writing it, and it has find some news, right? And it is giving me some directional, and the things that it has given here, it is showing me the source also, that it is from Univest, it is from the Hindu, and the output that it has generated, I can see the same thing on Notion AI. Let me go to the Notion AI and show you what it has created. So it has created it, and this is the news that it is giving to me. So it is August 10, 2026, and market should be bullish. You can go and check about the stock market, how it performed. I have no idea how it has performed, right? And the headline is this, the second headline and third headline is this, and the key conclusion is Reliance Industry closed at positive as expected from the news. So in this way, you can automate the repetitive tasks that you do. If you are a marketer, if you are a financial analyst, if you are a manager, you can automate all the tasks. Now let me again go to Spark, and I'll show you other features that Spark provide to you. Now we have seen the schedules process. Now we have skills which is not activated right now in India, I think, for pro users. And we have connected apps. So you will ask me that how it takes the access of Notion AI to give all the summary and details in the Notion AI, right? So here you can see that it is connected with all the Google ecosystem. It has taken access of everything, and you can give access to other features also. I have given access to Canva. I have not given access of my contacts, and Wix I have not given access. Now I have given access to custom apps for Spark, and I have given access to Notion AI with the MCP HTML details. So in this way, we can connect with other apps also, so that you can work inside Gemini, and you can get the access of all the other tools that you use for productivity and your daily work. So this is all the brief that Gemini Spark provide to you. Let me also show you the different AI tools that Google provide to you, and people has no idea about that. I'll just brief you about that, and in the coming videos we are going to explore all these AI features. So let me search Notebook LLM. I have made all the details over there. And by the way, this is also a product of Google only, which is very good in doing research based on your data. It will not go into internet and find something and search anything. It will only take the data that you have given in the input, and based on that it will give the output to you. So the AI tools you can see, let me uh, make it big. So the AI tools that Google has been categorized in different categories. So we have core productivity tools such as Gemini, Notebook LM, and CC. So Gemini, we have already using it. Notebook LM, just the tool that in which I am able to see it, and there is other tools also, CC. And for audio and music, we have Illuminate, Google Flow Music, and Music Effect DJ. If you know about these tools, then please write in the comment that you know these tools. And for video and visuals, very few people know that apart from this Google Flow and other tools, we have tools such as Sparkify, we have Mixboard, and people has no idea about that. So we have Google Vids, we have Google Flow Image, right? And like I said, that we have Sparkify and we have Mixboard. For business and automation, we have Family, we have Workspace Studio, and we have Help Me Write. And we have for mobile and privacy, AI Edge Gallery, and we have AI Edge Fog. For education and for a learning purpose, we have Learn Your Way, we have Learn About, and we have Little Language Lessons. For developers, we have Google AI Studio, which is free. Then we have Opal, which is also free. Anti-Gravity is free, and Firebase Studio is for developer, and we have Jewels for developer. So these are the different AI tools which is available in the market and launched by Google, but people has no idea about that. We have also experimental and cultural tools such as Project Genie, we have Disco, we have Food Mood, and we have Say What You Mean. And we will look into all the important AI tools that is available in the market in coming videos. So stay tuned in this channel. Thank you.